Okay, so the next one for today is going to be a SIM271 from a 2012 C250. We have the complete cover off here, and that's the front and the back. So for this one, the reason why I took the back off, you don't usually have to take the back off, but I took the back off because it wasn't communicating. So I had to repair the CAN bus transceiver, which is located on the back. So I repaired that, and now it does communicate, but it also has a bad, it doesn't send ground to the starter relay. So we're going to have to replace this one with one that is working. But the first step, of course, if you have no communication, is to get it to communicate. And now that it's communicating, we're going to be able to clone it. So that's what I'm working on right now. We've got HexProg up on the bench right now. And we're going to be using this adapter to hook up with wires using a diagram from HexProg. And the wiring, so they give you a nice diagram here. And this is where we're going to hook up with wires on the outside. And this is where we're hooking up with wires on the inside. So you do have to open up the front. There's a boot, 2 boots. This wire will have to be attached and spliced together. And here's your signal wire. You have to do these really carefully because the little pads, these little golden pads here, if you heat them up too long, they come right off. And then, then you've got to get yourself another one. And these aren't cheap. Okay, so we've got it hooked up now. We've got the internal connections. We've got the external connections here. So CAN bus, white and brown is CAN bus. We've got power and ground. 2 powers, 1 ground. Okay? All right, so let's start extracting data. Okay, and now we're going to click on Clone ECU. It says to connect the original module, which we have connected, and click OK. This is going to take a few minutes. Okay, so it just finished, and it's asking now to connect the donor module and then click OK. So I'm going to go hook up the donor, bring it over, and then pick OK, and it's going to write. All right, so it got pretty busy today. All those packages are going out. Now, here's HexProg hooked up to the donor unit, hooked it up the same way as the other unit, the original. And if we're looking up here, it has completed the clone. So it's all done. So that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. See you next time.